Hey everyone, today we are going to learn routers and filters. So what are routers? Routers in make.com are flow control tools that allows you to split a single automation path into multiple branches. So it's like a tree and we have multiple branches in the above portion. So if in the automation, when we talk about the routers, let's make an example, practical example on this. So let's say we have a Google Sheet and we have leads, like 4 leads. Shahid Sajjad, Asad, Hasib Zafar, and Mohammed Saklan. And let's say these are the team members of the company to whom we are assigning those leads. So let's say this is a new lead and we are assigning it to Shoaib Azam and saying him like follow up with him or call him and deal with him, something like that. So what we will do in the make.com, we will use Google Sheet watch new rows. Whenever a new lead comes in, this module will triggers. We will select our sheet, Google Sheets, and the tab sheet 1. So let's change the limit to 4 for now, but yeah, we can change the limit whatever we want. And I'm gonna save this, and I'm clicking on all, so it will take all the 4 leads for now. And then we need a router here because we have 2 team members. We can select flow control here as well and from the bottom menu as well. So I will hit on this and choose the router. So you can see the icons like this. This is the arrow icon and there are 3 paths, but we can make 2 paths, 3 or more than 3 according to our needs. So I will select this and you can see we have 2 paths now. And then we are also like talking on filters in this video because we have 2 paths and we need to apply filters. Filters are basically the gatekeepers placed between modules that control the flow of data based on specific conditions. So here the conditions are Shoaib Azam and Junaid Azam. So these are 2 team members, and based on those team members the lead should be gone out and send them notification like there is a new lead, go and follow with them. So we will apply a filter just by clicking on these dots, and here we will select the team assignee. So let's say if the team assignee contains Shoaib, I can select contain as well or equal to Shoaib Azam whole as well. And here we will select the Junaid Azam or Junaid. So JUNAID. So if there will be a team assignee has any word like Junaid, this branch will run, and if there is Shoaib, this branch will run. And we are going to send them notification. Let's say we choose Gmail for now. We can choose whatever the communication channel we want, but for now I have the connection of my Gmail, and I'm gonna send this mail to little prince 786 if it is Shoaib. So we need the notification on this mail. Subject is new lead, and body is hey Shoaib, we have a new lead named I will map the name from here. So whatever the lead name will be, it will pick that from the Google Sheet and send the notification with that name. Go follow up with him. Go follow up with that lead. It can be her. So I will copy this for Junaid as well. I'll save it, and here too I will select the send an email, and the connection is same, but in the to portion we will need another mail ID, junaidazam.it@gmail.com, JUNAID and we need a singular and new lead, and in the body we will paste the same text except the first name because this is for Junaid, and I'll save this. So we have the automation ready. Hopefully you can understand the purpose of router and the filters. And now I'm gonna run this just for making it more clear. So you can see there are 4 bundles here, and 2 was sent to Shoaib and 2 was sent to Junaid. So if I check into the bundle, first lead was assigned to Shoaib and the 4th was. So if we check in the Google Sheet, first and 4th was like this. So yeah, we can check the mail from here as well. Give me a second. Yeah, here we have hey Shoaib, we have a new lead for Mohammed Saklan and for Shahid Sajjad. Yeah, hopefully you have a clear understanding of routers and filters, and you can start implementing in your scenarios. And if you feel any hurdle, or if you need my help, just ping me on my WhatsApp or on my Gmail. So like, watch and subscribe my channel to watch my next video. See you soon. Bye bye.